Germany.
Wow, nice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay. Now that we all have been blessed by the owner of the hotel, we can continue the journey. And from now on, we're gonna go really remote. I'm not gonna have any internet for the next 4 days, which for me, as you can imagine, is a little bit weird since I post all my journeys on the internet. Goodbye. It has been lovely yesterday. We actually found out a little bit more about the village and how they live and what struggles they have and how the climate change affects them. So it's just been really, really cool. It was a little bit weird with all these cameras and this whole TV production team. But yeah, this is how it is now on this journey. I still enjoy it a lot. And we were so blessed with the weather. I actually got quite sunburned yesterday sitting there on the terrace. But look at that view there. Wow. Wow. It's a real blessing to be able to do this here. And the whole group is very nice and we're having a lot of fun. Before we leave, we have to fill up the tank. I have 8 kilometers range left, but apparently even on 0 you still have some more left in the tank. I think it's quite a huge tank. I don't know, maybe 20 liter? I don't know exactly. We'll check in a minute. Yeah, quite dusty. Today we're checking out wild horses, Mongolian descent. That is gonna be interesting. But of course there will be filming again. Let's see how that goes and where we end up staying tonight. That's gonna be super interesting. Off we go, guys. Sunscreen. Hey. Thank you.
Marc,
Yeah. Huh?
can you just click a photo for us with the board?
Yeah.
Either.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, filled up in Kaza now. I think it's only like 13 or 14 liter. But yeah, the autonomy is really good then. I think we did like 300-400 kilometers or something like that. Pretty awesome. I don't know exactly how far we go today, but I think it's just 50 kilometers to the horses. Let's see how it goes, guys. Another dusty ride. Look at these mountains, guys. Wow. We're in the Pin Valley now. And this is just crazy. I know probably on the cameras will all look the same to you, but like riding through this area here is truly special. And every valley looks a little different. Wow. Look at this old bridge. Huh. Crazy. And the roads all used to look like this here, but they made them all new. This is a brand new tarmac road here, apparently, and by the looks of it. It's a very unique shape of that mountain. You can see all these little lines here. And that must be a camp for road workers here. The road workers here, they are paid very, very little. About, I think, 700 rupee a day, which is like $7. Insane. Here you can see them working away. They're working hard all day and then have to sleep in this like tent made of a sheet. It's so crazy. And it's getting really, really cold here at night. Like 5 degrees right now. So they must be freezing at night. We're so spoiled with sleeping in hotels every night and having food and all cooked and everything. Wow. Okay. Oof. All that dust. They're also building a tunnel through the mountain here. Look at this town. Nice.
So we're now here in this village in Pin Valley, just waiting for the camera team to set up, and then we're shooting something with the horses. Are we gonna ride the horses?
Yeah, I thought you should ride the horses, but no, they're too small for you.
Yeah, no, I can't ride the horse.
Almost like ponies.
The horse will break down, probably. Look, they wear this on their head too. Yeah, they're unmarried women. They have to wear their headpieces.
That's what I wore yesterday.
Yeah, where's yours?
I had to give it back.
You have to wear this every day, no? So everybody knows.
How will I put my helmet on then?
Oh, it's the helmet, is the
Yeah.
headpiece.
So quickly, I'll tell you what all we will try to cover today. Short welcome. So we'll be filming you. One unit will be here, filming you walking down. There'll be a drone shot, and then the horses are grazing just next to this. We are trying to make them just stay there. So apparently they really like salt, and if you give them salt, they'll stick around.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Janelle, you need this, please.
Okay.
You always forget your passport, visa. You frightened me. I give yesterday. I give this about barley. Only as barley is crop grown in our Spiti region, it is believed to very good luck for us, and it is blessed by protector of His Holiness Dalai Lama, Nechung. That we call name is as Nechung Ne. Nechung means a protector of Dalai Lama, and Ne is basically is barley. In Spiti we call it Ne.
And how did you get hands on this?
Yeah, I got from Dalai Lama, and the note from I went to a Dharamshala and I got it. I put it in my wallet, and I must need in this right.
So are you
So now we all are blessed.
Yeah. Now you can just try to drive your bike as 120, 130. No accident, bro. No accident.
Yeah, you have to put one in the bike as well. One in the wallet and one in the bike.
You can trust them, but don't do it.
Oi. Careful, Vito. Act natural. We're on TV. But I can
Yeah, so you
already
can
see
see
the horses. Over there. There they are. They are very little.
एल्टीट्यूड में कम ऑक्सीजन होने के बावजूद भी मतलब इनका स्टेमिना थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है। सिर्फ रेसिंग में भी चाहे मार डुलाई भी करनी हो। उसके बाद फिर क्या करते हैं आप? उसके बाद हम लोग घर में ही रखते हैं। घर में ही रखते हैं।
Look at them running. So as far as I understood it right now, the horses actually get sold into other parts of the country because they grow up here, they are faster, they're stronger and have more endurance. So yeah, they make good money. Kenny, I have one more question. Where's lunch?
There.
Okay.
The big building. We're
Thanks.
so hungry.
Thanks for the interview. Look at this whole team.
5 people to fly the drone.
Yeah.
And 5 people to hold a mic. 5 people to hold a camera. But look at Marc, he does everything himself, and that's why you follow him on YouTube.
Yeah, subscribe. No, but seriously, like making a TV show is like a whole different. It's so much work. There's so many people. You have to do so many things, double, triple time. It's crazy. It's all made up.
Do you like the taste?
Oh yeah.
Whenever I do, thank you.
Take care. Huh? Oh, I can try? Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
It's wonderful. Very good.
So this
Thank you.
has lettuce, some grass here, some green thingy, and it has onion. And this is made of this flour that is besan, this yellow thing that you
Yeah.
mix creates the taste.
Very good.
It's very tasty.
Thank you.
They're preparing for a festival. It's called Sajuk, I think. And they prepare today and tomorrow they celebrate it. We'll find out later in the monastery what's it all about, but it's super interesting to see how they make the candles and preparing all the food and how they get together and everybody having a good time. People come for visit, relatives. It's pretty cool. And you have these dogs here. No, don't run. It's hot, right? What are we eating?
We're eating a sweet called kheer. It's made out of rice and condensed milk.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is awesome. And sweet. It's so good not being out in the sun. I'm so sunburned.
Thank you.
My arms as well. No sunscreen helps here. We're too high up. Look at the view.
थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा नहीं हाँ बस
कावा जो आता कावा के भी तो वही नून चाय इज दैट सॉल्ट वाला कावा
हाँ, pink salt का.
पिंक सॉल्ट का
That's different.
What
What
does
is
it
it?
taste like?
Tastes a bit like. It's kind of sweet and salty a little bit.
let it cool down then it's not,
Yeah, it's a bit of a
this one
milky
tastes as
taste.
bad because you already have a background of the
Some
normal
salt.
chai With this background, it won't taste as. Yeah.
Yuck.
It's yak milk. Yummy.
Alright guys, we're now done with the horses and we're on our way to a place called Mut, and I just wanted to show you this. Wow, I haven't seen mountains like this before. They look so so special. The way it's layered, the rock is layered, is so special. It's crazy. Probably because of the wind, or I don't know how that happened. But yeah, we're going really, really off the grid now. No internet, but we will have probably heating because it gets quite cold at night here. But look at this, all these remote villages here. Wowzers. Such a cool experience to do this. But I must admit I'm quite exhausted, especially from sitting outside in the sun all day up on 3,500 meters. I know, I'd never do that. Usually I'm riding during the day. I have my helmet on. The sun is sucking the life out of me a little bit. But as soon as I get on the motorcycle, I feel super good again. It's crazy. Always like that.
Oh.
What do you think?
Okay, thank you.
And for drink,
Yeah?
for food, you come to Tara.
Yeah, Tara.
Yeah.
Okay, I saw it already.
Yeah. For chai, for food, you come to Tara.
Look at this, guys. That's my room for the next couple days. Check this out. That's the view. Bed. I hope I don't have loud neighbors.
I'm very loud.
But how cool.
It's cool.
It's awesome, right? And hot water. So cool. No internet, but tomorrow.
Now receive your key, okay?
Yeah.
The bike is.
Hi. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll continue with the great Himalayan exploration expedition. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna be filming a lot again. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.